Good morning. Today I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on Jamboard, show you some of the basics, because this is a really cool tool that we'll probably be using in the classroom a lot. One of the really awesome things about chemistry is the aspect of drawing and being able to view just different drawings, different diagrams, and be able to get information out of them. And because we don't have a whiteboard with us, which we would normally have in the classroom, Jamboard is a really good online one. Okay, so I just wanted to go through with some basic things. First off, over here, got your pen function. Pen looks like that. You change it to a marker, change the color, a little thicker. My personal favorite highlighter, don't ask me why. I just like ink motion. And we got a paintbrush, which I know some of you will enjoy as well. Okay. Again, Control Z. You can go backwards, Control Y, go forwards. All of that is the same, which is really, really cool. If I wanted to erase something, you can just do that. It doesn't have the circle click thing. I've tried, I'm sorry. I know some of you are used to that with the smartboard. We'll kind of go from there. So eraser over here. Here, select. So if I ever had anything, where I had to select some area, I have a sticky note. Sticky note, we can change the color. Let's go pink. A little like green. Save it. You do another one. A little like green. A lot. And if we wanted, we could change the color. Just put a smiley face. We can cancel this at any time. The cool thing is, with the select, we can move these around, we can make it bigger, we can rotate it if we want, we can duplicate if we want, we can delete if we want. Order, bring front to back. So for example, this one right here, which is backwards, edit, and change the color just to prove that to you. Green is in the back. That's in the front. Okay. Really cool thing. And again, that's the sticky note. That's right here. Images, you can add images from online. If you had something on your computer you wanted to show. So for example, there's a little chemistry joke. Upload. Again, same thing. Everything we want. Also, we can do Google image search. So I'll type in dog. Look for a bluer background where blue is the main color, purple is the main color. Know what some of this is. Kind of weird. Clifford, absolutely. Double click. Boom, Clifford. We love that. Circle, if you want to make emphasis for something. Same thing, we could also order that to the back. We can type now. Typing is new, which is super exciting about that. Typing was not, to my knowledge, available in the spring, or it's just came out of the spring. It's very, very new. And new as well, laser. Continue to circle so we can make a quick emphasis. Okay, these are all things you can do. You can change the background to any of these, black, blue, anything along those lines. If we want to delete everything, you can put it all back. And then here, if you got ran out of space or anything, you just make a new one. You do that up here. So again, if I want to do a grid one, make another one. And I also can, by clicking here, rearrange. So if you say you made an extra one, you really didn't want it, it's like, oops, these three are good, I don't need this. Those double dots again. So again, I wanted to just share this with you. Again, if you do need to share it, you would share with me via this. I might pop up over here, or you can just type me in if you ever needed to email to me. But yeah, just wanted to provide a really quick background on Jamboard with you. And that's a good time. Okay. See you guys soon.